Have you ever seen those stunning wall panels that instantly make a room look luxurious? And thought, how do they even make that? Well, today I'll show you exactly how you can add those professional wall panels in Coohom in just a few simple steps. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll be able to give your design that premium designer-level touch. Hey designers! Welcome back to the Coohom Interior Design Masterclass. This is video 23, and today we're learning how to add pre-made wall panels in Coohom, a quick yet powerful way to level up your room design. Alright, let's get started. First, make sure your camera angle is focused on the wall where you want to add the panel. This will help you place and align the panel easily. Now, let's add the panel. Open the public library. Now click on the Construction option. At the Construction option, click on Panel. Here, you'll see different types of panels, background panels, and paneling. For this tutorial, I'll go with background because it gives a nice, finished look to the wall. You can also filter the style and color of the panels here, super helpful when matching your theme or color palette. Now just scroll down, browse the options, and choose the one that best fits your design. Since I've already saved mine earlier, I'll add the wall panel directly from my account section. Now, to complete the look, I'll add a wood panel on the sides. This gives the wall more balance and a custom-designed appearance. Once added, adjust its size and dimensions from the right side using the scale or measurement options. And that's it. Your wall panel is ready. See how easily we just transformed a plain wall into something elegant and modern? If you want to go even further, you can design your own custom panel using the Wall Editor tool. And if you'd like me to make a full tutorial on how to design panels from scratch in Coohom, comment below. I'll definitely make that video for you. And if you haven't watched my previous video, How to Design Ceiling in Coohom, make sure to check that out first. It's linked in the I button above. Watch it before this one so you can continue your learning step by step. And if you're planning to upgrade your Coohom plan to unlock premium features, use my exclusive promo code DLIGHT to get a 10% discount on Coohom Elite and use promo code HOMEDESIGNER for pro plans. It's a great way to support this course and save a bit while you level up your designs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And hit the bell icon so you never miss the next lesson in the Coohom Interior Design Masterclass. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, where we'll keep pushing your design skills to the next level. Till then, happy designing!